Get ready. Start. The board wide its office's communications noted in the margin on the subject noted above had brought home to all employees that using of non-official or other influence upon the superior authorities in furtherance of their service interests involves breach of Regulation 2 of the PSEB Employees Conduct Regulations 1971 full stop. It was also pointed out in these instructions that if any employee chooses to ventilate his grievances or asserts his claim repeatedly by bringing any political influence or other influence and also infringes the prescribed procedure and channel of submission of representations in respect of his service interests, he shall be proceeded against departmentally for minor punishment and at the time of promotion and crossing of E.B. such lapses should be brought to the knowledge of the concerned authority, who will consider the same as adverse reports. Full stop. Next para. It has, however, been observed that the above instructions and statutory provisions are not being followed meticulously, and as such, the board has taken a serious view of the breach of the instructions. Full stop. It is therefore reiterated that any laxity in observance of these instructions would not be tolerated and strict disciplinary action would be taken against the defaulters. Full stop. These instructions should be brought to the knowledge of all officers and officials for strict compliance. Full stop. Next para. At the same time, you are also requested to ensure that the genuine grievances of the employees in service matters are redressed without any avoidable delay so that justice given to them may also act as deterrent against the breach of these instructions. Full stop. Next para. It has also been noticed that certain board employees should approach political bodies or ministers to exert influence or to get recommendatory letters from them for their transfer, postings, promotions, etc. Full stop. This tendency on the part of the employees has been viewed very seriously by the board. Full stop. It is also pointed out that approaching the persons other than those in the official hierarchy for service matters is violative of the civil service rules. Full stop. In this connection, attention is invited to Regulation 2 of the Punjab State Electricity Board Employees Conduct Regulations 1971, which lays down that no board employees shall bring or attempt to bring any political or other influence to bear upon any superior authority to further his interest in respect of matters pertaining to his service. Full stop. Kindly acknowledge the receipt of this letter Stop.